Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to optimize live wallpapers on your Windows 11 PC. So if you've noticed your computer tends to slow down when you have a live wallpaper active, this might be the video to help fix your issues. So I'm going to show you how to optimize a few settings for your wallpaper program, and I'm going to show you how to do it with two programs, that being Lively Wallpaper and Wallpaper Engine. So let's get started with Lively Wallpaper. I'm going to open up the program right now. And as you can see right now, it's using a fair bit of CPU usage. This is normal for when you're launching the program. And if you want to get a more accurate picture of how much it affects your system, you can leave it running for a little while and see how much CPU usage it's using on idle. So it should be noted that CPU usage will also depend greatly on what kind of wallpaper you have active, especially if it's something interactive that, for example, reacts with the way your mouse is moving. So like I have now, my wallpaper currently reacts to the way my mouse is moving. This will naturally have a larger impact on my system compared to just a plain video. So within live wallpaper, or within Lively Wallpaper, let's go ahead and click on the settings button at the top right of our screen. And this is going to give us a few options to choose from. So let's go ahead and go to the performance tab. And here you're going to see a few options to change when your wallpaper is playing and when it is paused. So right now, I have it set to when applications are in full screen. I have it set to pause, and I have it set to pause when it's on battery saver as well. You can also take this a step further and follow specific application rules. And this just makes it so that when a certain application is running, like for example, you're doing some type of work, let's say video editing, you want your live wallpaper to be paused while you have your video editing software running in your computer. So another thing that you're going to want to change as well is your GPU acceleration. So as you can see here, underneath the wallpaper tab, underneath video player, you have your GPU decode option. Make sure this is set to on, because what this does is for video wallpapers, it's going to reduce the load on your CPU by sharing it with your GPU. Although this does depend if you have a dedicated GPU installed on your uh, system. Now for something like Wallpaper Engine, I've got Wallpaper Engine here, and it's almost the same process. You're going to go open the main interface and click on the settings button at the top right of your screen. So you're going to see a few options that will immediately impact the performance on your system. And this is underneath quality. So you can have it set to low, medium, high, or ultra. So those are some presets, and the best preset will depend on how powerful your system is. But generally, you're going to want to have anti-aliasing off, post-processing on, and depending on how powerful your PC is, you can change your texture resolution, your shadows, your volumetric lighting, and your reflections. Although this does also depend on what specific wallpaper you have loaded. So another thing you can also change is your playback. And this is very similar with the settings in Lively Wallpaper, where if other applications are focused or maximized, you can set it whether it keeps on playing or whether it is paused. So for example, right now, other application maximized, it's set to pause. But if the other application is simply focused, like right now, it's focused because it's what we have active. As you can see in the background, our wallpaper is still playing, even though we have a different application focused. So that's what that setting means. You can also have it set to pause if another application is playing audio, if it's in full screen, or you can set custom application rules for specific programs, just like in Lively Wallpaper. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.